The Zotero add-on for Microsoft Word will allow you to create a document with in-text citations and a reference list or bibliography associated with those in-text citations. This Cite as you write option is a great feature of Zotero. Let's get started. To use the Zotero add-on for Microsoft Word, the Zotero application should be open. Mine is open, and you can see it down there on my taskbar. When you open Word, you should see a Zotero tab on your Microsoft Word ribbon up at the top. When you install the Zotero software, the Zotero tab should have automatically installed on your Word ribbon. If you've rebooted your computer after installing the Zotero software and Zotero still doesn't appear in Microsoft Word, you should see the Zotero troubleshooting options on the Zotero library guide. For this video, I'll create a very short paper and show you how to insert citations in the most common ways. In my blank Microsoft Word document, I'll begin to type my paper. When I get to the spot where I want to insert a citation, I'll click the Zotero tab up on the ribbon and then Add Edit Citation. The first time I insert a citation, the document properties will prompt me to select my citation style. For this video, I'll choose APA 7th edition from the list and click OK, but you could use any style. When I click the Add Edit Citation button, the red Zotero search bar appears. In it, I can search my entire Zotero library and look for the item I want to cite. So I might search by author name or by keyword to locate a reference. Once I locate it, I select it and press Enter to insert it into my document. An APA-style in-text citation is inserted into my paper. Let's add another citation to the paper. Again, I go to Add Edit Citation, but this time, instead of searching my Zotero library, I'm going to navigate to Classic View. I'll click on the Z arrow and click on Classic View. Classic View allows for some more advanced citing options, like specifying a page number for an exact quotation or citing multiple sources. Here's how to use the Classic View for inserting a page number, like for a direct quote in APA. Select the source you want to cite, and then specify the page number. Click OK. You can see that an APA citation with a page number is inserted in my paper. Here's how I'd use Classic View for a multiple citation. Again, Add Edit Citation, click the Z arrow, go to Classic View, and click Multiple Sources. Then choose the sources that I want to cite, arrow them over, and click OK. Both the sources I selected will be cited, and they'll be in the correct order for APA style. We've inserted several citations into our paper. Now let's create the reference list. At the end of my paper, I'll insert my references list. Again, back on the Zotero tab. This time, I'll click on Add Edit Bibliography. And all of the citations, all of those references associated with my in-text citations will be pasted into my references list. Here are some best practices for using Zotero for Microsoft Word. To rearrange a citation, edit the text, then refresh the document, and the reference list will refresh. So if I want to remove a citation, I'll edit my text, and then on my Zotero bar, refresh my paper, and it will disappear from my references list. If you spot an error in the references list, like some missing information, like a DOI or some other odd error, like a capitalization error or punctuation error, Go to your Zotero library, find the reference, and correct it here. Then, back on my paper, refresh, and the corrected reference will automatically populate into your reference list. Remember, no citation manager is perfect, so take care to review your in-text citations and your reference list carefully. With that said, Zotero for Word is a powerful tool that can save you time. Remember to see the St. Catherine University Library Zotero Guide for help and troubleshooting. Thanks.